Hello everyone, got a couple of new Moreart Box Dioramas. They come ready out of the box and they are excellent for your 164 Diecast Cars and sometimes even 172 scale models. Okay, let's start with the first one right here, an off-road diorama with a nice background. This one comes also in a box like this one here. And it's perfect for your diecast car. As you can see, you can place two cars on it easily, and it's a perfect way to display your diecast car. Okay, next one. What is the name? Most of the time it's here on the box. Northwest style scene. So very simplistic, but with a nice 3 right here, which gives it a nice 3D effect. Bonsai. Here we got the back. The root of the tree. And this is also perfect for a 164 car. And maybe we can even place 3 cars on this one. Yep, that's possible. Okay, let's go to the next one. With a lot of grass, gather more model art. I totally agree. What is the name of this one? Wetland, Grassland scene. Very nice background, and again some bushes, tree. There's a piece right here, we can place it back. Then the grass, some stones, some water right here, another stone. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Back in the days when they released the first dioramas like this, you have to put the stones on yourself, but nowadays they already did it for you. Yep. And also on this one, room for 2 cars if you want, or you can create a nice scene with some camping accessories, figures, etc. Then the last one. I used this one for a 172 scale model. Grassland off-road scene. Yeah, I'm a big fan of off-road cars, so I'm also a big fan of off-road scenes. Do they have also normal street box dioramas? Yes, they do. And I will show you in a minute. Oh, a little bit of tree right here. I'm going to put it right here. So here we got it. Again, very well done. Yeah, I know. If you can do it yourself and you can make something like this with the hand, it's probably much better. But I think for ready out of the box, these are absolutely okay, fine. Okay, so perfect for a 164 car. Or let's see. Yeah, here I've got some more box dioramas. There's even a World War II box diorama. We got a Love box diorama. Off-road diorama. This is a limited edition. It came with the car with a figure inside. Review on my YouTube channel. Here we got a street diorama. Another street diorama. Road with some pretty nice background. Lara Croft. And we got this one, Jurassic Park. Yes, let's see, I did a review with this very cool diorama. This is a 1/72 scale diorama. And I placed it on here for a thumbnail. And as you can see, that works also very fine. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, click, 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 and I'll see you next time. Bye.